We are testing the Osmo Pocket. DJI's new gimbal camera is tiny and shoots smooth 4K video. But how does it compare to full-size or smartphone cameras? Take a look. Shooting hyperlapse videos is really easy with the Osmo Pocket. The active track feature automatically keeps the subject centered, whether it's a person or an object. Here, the Osmo is automatically tracking this building, keeping it in the center of the frame while I walk in a different direction. It doesn't do hyperlapse automatically. I had to speed this footage up 1000%. And apply a stabilizer in post-production. But that was easy to do, and the Osmo Pocket's gimbal allowed me to keep the footage really stable. I like shooting close-up, but this camera isn't too good at that. Here, I'm trying to get a close shot of this tasty burger, but the Osmo Pocket won't focus. Another issue, sudden changes in exposure. As you can see here, the picture suddenly goes dark and bright. Instead, we have to enable auto exposure lock on the smartphone app. I made lots of smooth tracking shots. And because it shoots 60 frames per second, I can slow down the videos to get dramatic slow motion, all in 4K. I think DJI did really well to make a consumer-friendly gimbal camera. There are no complicated menus, it's really easy to use, and you'll always get smooth and steady shots. When it comes to image quality, you get good color and contrast, but that's only in good lighting conditions. I find the camera suffers a bit in low light. It's still probably better than what you would get with a smartphone. But it's nothing compared to a point-and-shoot camera like the Sony RX100. There's also no optical zoom. Battery life is pretty bad. If you shoot 4K videos, you can only go for about an hour. The good thing is that the camera supports USB-C charging, so you can charge it while you are using it. The size and price make it a good option as a portable camera for travel. Average users might use it for more selfie shots like this. By using face track in selfie mode, it always keeps your face in the frame. Audio sounds great too, so it's perfect for vlogs. More advanced photographers can use it as a secondary camera for time lapses. Or for quick panorama shots. And for filmmakers, it's also a good, small and quick option to take behind the scenes shots. It's got plenty of smart features that I'm sure we'll see people use in creative ways.